It was in the winter of 2000 when my father shot himself in the abdomen while cleaning one of his guns. That summer, he made the trip to Jackson Hole to hear me sing. The rain seemed an ominous omen, but on the final note of Music of the Night, a rainbow appeared. We did not know then that that concert would be the last at which he would see me perform. I knew a singing career was iffy at best, so I decided to become an author.
Sometimes as we travel down the proverbial road of life, we run into roadblocks. That's why I wrote Staging Your Comeback. It's sort of a roadmap to help you get around the roadblock, off your butt, out of the rut, get back in the game. Maybe it's just beauty tips and tricks, but I think it's really a lot of information and inspiration to help you become the best that you are today. I believe that, and I hope that you stage your comeback along with me. And please email me and go to themakeoverguy.com and let me know how it goes. Thank you. And buy my book, because it's the best book. Really, everyone loves my book. You should buy it too. Because if you have my book and your girlfriends have my book, you'll all get together and have a really good time. You'll have cocktails, and you'll be like, oh my God, I'm a classic. No, I'm a dramatic. Yes, you are. Oh, you've got big hips. No, you've got saddlebags. I knew you had saddlebags. It'll be great. It'll be fun.
Well, there's no underwear. Oh, there it is. The book led to speaking engagements and educational tours, but I found them more of an exhausting effort than financial feasibility. I was also courted by several television production companies, each with their own idea of how I should be pitched. In time, I became frustrated with the lack of fruition and decided to just create my own little blog. Good morning. I've decided that this is the very first words out of my mouth on this possible show that I'm going to create right now. A little blog about the realities of making a reality show. Obviously, I've heard nothing so far today from an agent or from a production company. Hi, Adam. I'm okay. How are you?
The lawyer told my lawyer that they weren't interested anymore.
Oh.
And I wasn't really sure why. They never said, they never said why.
All right.
Thanks, Christopher.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Seems to me that I have been through this song and dance before. Their lawyer called his lawyer and said they're not interested.
Lawyer?
Yeah. So, and apparently his lawyer said, well, we'll do whatever, however you want to work it. And I suspected that he made it too difficult for them to, because he wanted to be co-producer, and that's what I suspect. But, maybe not. Maybe, I don't know.
What the fuck do the lawyers have to do with it?
That's how it works. They all talk to each other, and we pay them to do it. I don't know. I've tried, I've emailed, I've called, I've texted. I'm like, can we just talk once? Can we just talk? What I've learned about all of this doesn't matter about me or about Robert or about anything. It's all about how it affects you. This is the cliffhanger.
It is a cliffhanger. And
And
I just found out
what?
somebody might be interested in buying our house.
What?
Exactly, cliffhanger.
It's not for sale.
I know it's not for sale.
How much?
remember?
Yes,
Deborah?
I was with her. She's.
I
said,
saw
guys-
you and on the Lennon thing, you know, that very first thing.
Oh yeah, when we went down there.
And I said, Deborah, this guy, he's a star, he's a star. I went crazy. But it's the truth.
Ask Tanya because she knows everything.
A giant television show starring Victor.